In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide, how to build a complex app with Emergent AI. We'll walk through using Emergent to turn a strong prompt into a working multi-step app. The key idea is simple. The platform is powerful, but the quality of your results depends on enabling the right capabilities and writing a clear, comprehensive prompt. Start by heading to Emergent and opening the workspace where you build apps. Make sure the advanced agent features are enabled so the system can plan, reason, and connect the pieces of your app together. Think of this like giving your Copilot the extra tools it needs to handle branching logic, UI generation, and data flow. Before you type a single word into the chat, pause and clarify your intent. A great prompt is your product spec, your user story, and your test plan wrapped into one. To ground this, let's look at an example app. The idea here is to show how a complex workflow, something with multiple screens, user inputs, and conditional steps, can be described in plain English and then realized by Emergent. As you preview the app layout, pay attention to how the agent maps your instructions to actual components and actions. This makes it clear why precision in your prompt matters. Now open the chat and look at the prompt. Read it top to bottom. Notice how it starts with the overarching objective, then moves into the main features, the expected user journey, and the outputs. The best prompts avoid vagueness. They specify inputs, describe how data should move between steps, identify edge cases, and define what a successful result looks like. Look again at the prompt and consider structure. It helps to define roles and scope up front, like telling the agent to act as a senior app architect focused on usability and reliability. State constraints such as performance expectations or UI guidelines. Clarify any integrations conceptually, even if you're not wiring them yet, so the agent understands where data would come from and where it should go. Finally, explain the prompt in your own words. If you can summarize the goal, the flow, and the acceptance criteria in a few sentences, you've likely written a solid brief. This makes it easy to test against your original intent. Now, see the result. Run the app, click through the screens, and try realistic inputs. When something feels off, return to the prompt and tighten your language. Small refinements, clearer labels, stricter rules, or explicit examples often produce big improvements. And that's the takeaway. With a solid prompt and advanced agent features, you can quickly create complex apps in Emergent. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.